Harmony's first port of call was Labadee, Haiti. It's Royal Caribbean's privately owned peninsula, and it's a good day at the beach. And it was a beautiful day to go. The mid-80s, sun shining, just gorgeous. Get up and walk around a little bit. It's been a little while since I've been here. Beautiful day. Here's the fixings for the barbecue that's going to go on today on Labadee, and here's the main man that's going to cook it.
Yeah.
And it's going to be good, right?
Of course. Of course it's going to be good. It's always the best.
Thank you. Welcome to Labadee. We got the tours, the bay, the Dragons Plaza, the beaches, and the bungalows. Welcome to Labadee. The Dragons Cafe, that's where they'll have the barbecue. There's the man. There's the zip line, right? That's the big one.
The other one is right here.
Okay. Okay, I don't know. I'll have to build up some nerve. Yeah, thank you. You can rent the chairs, or you can get the cabanas. A little bit pricey, but just a day at the beach, unless you want to go on the zip lines. And they have a flea market around here somewhere, a marketplace. Find that. And here comes a zip liner. I hope this comes out. That's a long ride. It's the one Charmaine and Elisa did last time. They wouldn't let Mark and I on there. I guess we were too heavy and the winds were too high. Looks like a beautiful day today to do it. Hey Pop, how'd you get out here? These are the cabanas you can rent, and I'll bet they'll be full. And then back in the back there is their artisans village. Like they allow people to come in and sell their wares. Then you have the artisans market, a little more upscale. And you have some booths. Buy all your trinkets and souvenirs. Nellie's Beach. Thought there was a water park here somewhere.
It is that way.
Oh, it's that way?
It's that the other
Okay, thanks. Kids are having fun in the water park. This is the shorter zip line. I think you take this one, you get on the bus, and they take you up to the big one. You got to pass the test on the little one first. See how these students do. Okay, here we go. Poor crab, the waves kept washing him back out to sea. Couldn't make it on shore. Well, that was a quick tour of Labadee. If you enjoy a day at the beach, you'll love Labadee. If you like zip lines, you'll love Labadee. I headed back to the ship for lunch, and we're off to Jamaica tomorrow. Well, our second port of call, Falmouth, Jamaica. This is their little shopping area, a little ways from town. I think we'll just walk around here today, see what they have to offer. It's been a while since I've been here. All the little shops right here at the pier. Oh yeah, Donna said I'd remember the guy with the stilts. She's right. And all the shops. Charmaine loved it. Yeah, if you want to come here and shop for jewelry, they have a few places. Look at the size of the ship in the background. Carvings, hats, scarves, moo-moos, Dairy Queens, and free Wi-Fi at Margaritaville. You're pretty well relegated to the shopping area that's fenced off and has guards at the end, and you need your ID to get back in. The town, take your best shot, but I think I'll just walk around here a little bit, do some of the shopping around available here, and head back to the ship. Await Cozumel. I think that's the prudent thing to do, unless you're adventurous. We're in our last port of call, Cozumel. Pulled into the pier here next to the Majesty of the Seas, which is one of Royal Caribbean's smallest ships, that and the Empress. Just to show you some the size difference. I can't even see the rear, the aft of the Harmony, and there's the bow of the Majesty. Another view, there's the stern of the Majesty. Here's the bow of the Harmony. People are pouring off. There's the cruise shops. Added bubblegum shrimp and Margaritaville since I was here last. It's been a while. There's Cozumel. I'll be getting off here in a few minutes. There's Dean and Valerie. Dr. Dean with his umbrella. That's smart. Look at the size of those ships and the size of the Harmony compared to the Majesty. My goodness. We can't put that one on film, can we? No.
I think you can.
Yeah, that bubblegum shrimp is new since the last time I was here.
When I was here, we ate
When we first pulled in, I thought, they're docking at a different spot. Catch the cab into town, into the shopping area, and have lunch at Pedro's Casa, backyard, something. Ponchos. Yeah, okay. These are the shops right off the ship, the duty free and a bunch of souvenir type shops. Well, we just got out of the cab, dropped us off here in the center of the town at what's called the Forum, the shopping area. $8, couple mile trip.
Now we're 6 blocks from home.
Okay.
Take your time.
And we've got 2 hours to get there.
Yeah, that's it. It's,
A lot of shopping.
that's it.
Say hola and wave, or margarita or something. Okay.
Huh?
Is that slick?
See, oh man, you got your own selfie stick.
Yeah. There's the ferries to Playa del Carmen. I think that's the way you pronounce it. And there's the shopping strip. Just down from the Forum a little bit. Headed over to Pancho's.
Well, we made it to Pancho's backyard about an hour before we were supposed to meet Roger, Donna, Diane, and Harry. So we did what any good tourist would do. We decided to have a margarita. And boy, they poured some pretty good ones.
Okay. Strawberry. Lime. And what is that? Limeade? No. Frozen lime. And we went with the traditional lime and rum and something. Okay. Oh, the little tacos.
Chicken taquitos. Chicken mini taquitos.
Yes, that's it. Looks good. That's the chimichanga? That's the burrito. And I got the... I know you're on a diet, Valerie, so I thought...
Are you dieting?
Yeah, Valley's on a diet.
Yeah. Oh, those are air tacos.
That's and this is the nachos?
Yes. Tacos
Nacho.
with chicken.
And we've got the chicken, what were these? Chicken tacos. Fresh out of the oven. Oh. And that is what, Valerie? Okay, caught the taxi back. $8. Back to the shops and then onto the ship. Hard Rock Casino across the street there is going pretty good. Nice day. So Dean, you were saying this is a good place for belts and leather goods?
This
Right
guy's
here.
this guy has the best prices anywhere.
This is where we got your belts.
100% leather, quarter of an inch thick.
Doesn't
You can't buy them like that.
doesn't it smell good?
Oh,
With that
yeah.
that leather smell. And of course, Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville. There at the dock. The duty-free store, Jameson's 2 for $48. It's a liter bottles. Jack Daniels, $31 a copy for a liter bottle. Well, we had a great time in Cozumel. It pretty well wraps up our 7-day cruise aboard Harmony of the Seas. We've got a couple days back to Miami and then we're done. But stick around, we're doing a back-to-back out of San Juan in February aboard Vision of the Seas. We'll see a ton more Caribbean islands. See you then.